Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just wanted to say thanks to you guys for liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done it, go and do it now. You guys have been in the off-market real estate and asset recovery space for a little bit over 10 years. I give away all my top secret tips and tricks on this channel. So go and subscribe and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. But today I wanted to make a video and talk to you guys about my VA attendance policy. A lot of people recently have been reaching out and DMing me, asking me more and more stuff about digital sales teams when it comes to surplus funds. Okay, now everybody has a different way on managing VAs, hiring them, and whatever management skill set that you might have. But when it comes to my own personal policy, you guys, I'm very big on having really good looking, sexy content. Now, again, I know you guys have watched all my videos. Don't go be doing none of this shit when you should be making your phone calls. You know, if you have a graphic designer, pay them to do it. Mo, stop it. That was my dog, by the way. I have a little puppy. Yeah, pay a graphic designer to do it for you, just so it's all slick. And the reason why I say that, though, is when you guys are looking at this right now, I mean, I could dress this up a little bit more, but when you're showing that to a VA, I think in their eyes, it makes you seem a little bit more real. It makes you seem a little bit more credible. You know, you have a theme, a color scheme, a pattern, just everything is sexy and streamlined. And so this is, again, you guys, I have probably like 60 or 70 different PDFs just like this of my onboarding process. And so this is just one of the pieces. But this is kind of our company policy. We allow somebody 16 points before we terminate them. When you're working with VAs, it's really, really important that you guys structure the relationship that you are the owner and they are the worker. Now, I'm not saying that you talk to them like you're better than they are or anything like that, but there needs to be that hierarchy role that they need to listen to you and they need to respect you. You know, and so what I do throughout our initial interview process is I will send them this. I'll go over all this with them, just so they know, so you're on the same page. You know, because like with people, if you give them an inch, they're gonna yank a mile. And so I like being very, very upfront with people, saying, hey, look, here's our policies, here's our procedures. If you guys slip, you guys are done. You know, and I mean, honestly, 16 points, I should probably get that reduced. But regardless, you guys, I'm going to go over all this with you. If you like it, hit that like button, okay? The very first thing is tardiness, okay? And that's just 1 point. You know, a total of 8 points, and that's when you're going to be doing some training with a manager. So it's a mandatory 1-hour training where we go over all your personal KPIs, where we fill the kinks in the host, your own sales presentation is, and then we just do a little bit more thorough training with them. But each time they're tardy or they don't show up on time, it's 1 point, okay? Now, abandoning shift or leaving early, like let's say I need them to call until 12 p.m., right? And they leave at 11:20. Well, I have software tracking. I have some software that I have all my VAs plugged into where it automatically sends me screenshots of what they're doing and when they leave the computer and so on and so forth. And so it makes it really easy. But if they leave their shift early, it's just 1 point. Again, 8 warning points there before you have a 3-day leave. And then the other one is an unexcused absence. You know, internet, phone, my dog peed on my homework, whatever. I mean, you're going to hear all sorts of really, really, really clever excuses on why people can't make it to work. And as a matter of fact, you'll probably hear so many of them, you'll want to start jotting them down just so you and your buddies have something to laugh about on the weekends. But you guys, that's one of the biggest things for me is an unexcused absence. That will probably piss me off the most. You know, like when you have somebody that expects you to pay them hourly, you need to expect them to show up on time. You know, and so that's 2 points. Total 16 points overall equals an automatic termination. Okay. Now, that's just a little bit of our policy, our procedure, how we structure our point system with our VAs in accordance to our attendance policy and what we expect from them right out of the gate. But if you guys found any value in this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the box below. Other than that, have a great day. Take care. See you guys.